the system.
Hey, so today what I got for you is the Galaxy Z Flip 4, brand new, straight out of Samsung, right? Of course, this video is courtesy Phone Aid, bring new life to your mobile device. First people in TNT to get the Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4. I'm hoping to be doing the Fold 4 very soon, right? You could check them out in Crown Point, Tobago, the shopping complex just behind Church's Chicken. Visit them on Facebook and Instagram at PhoneAidTT or at PhoneAidTT@gmail.com. Give them a call at 302-5176 or 332-3111 for all your smartphone and tablet repairs, battery charging problems, software issue, anything that you need unlocking, they've got it all. And of course, your new devices. And because Samsung doesn't give you a charging brick in the box, definitely check out Phone Aid for your official Samsung 25-watt charging adapter, because of course you want the maximum speed for your Flip or Fold or whatever device you buy, right? So minor upgrades from last year. I think one of the major ones would be some of the new stuff that you could do on the screen in the front when it's folded, and also battery life. Much improved battery life. Not sure if the charging was improved somewhat, but battery life definitely improved. And of course the camera upgrade. It's same 12 megapixel. It's the same in name, 12 megapixel sensor, but it is the 1.8 aperture. So definitely look out for that one. Let's be honest, it's a great phone, but Samsung hasn't been really keeping up with the unboxing experience. There it is. Yeah, wow. Let's see what we get on this side. Do we get anything? I assume this will be your SIM injection tool in here, along with the usual, adapters and stuff, right? Well, not adapters, right? So your SIM injection tool. Ooh, all the books wanna fall out on me. You get your USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. So your SIM injection tool, USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Of course, like I said, Phone Aid definitely provided the hookup. So I'm gonna be doing the full, full checking of the charging speeds. All your usual pamphlets and stuff is right there. And yeah, so when I get this hooked up, we're using it for the next few days and let you all know, what's up with the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So now for the coup de grace, or however they say it in French, the actual device. I said the unboxing experience, let's be honest, isn't really much. It's basic. You get your device, you get your USB cable, some books. Unravel this and see what it's all about. The Galaxy Flip 4. Right, courtesy Phone Aid. Of course, this does come with a screen protector that they actually urge you not to remove. Right, so there will be a screen protector on it. There will be all this stuff, but they urge you not to remove the screen protector. So there is your Samsung branding. I must say, it is much heavier than expected. Now I know they said that the phone it was light, but I think this is heavier. This is a bit heavier than expected. I expected to feel, I don't want to say like a toy, but it definitely feels heavier. I would urge you, if you can, get a case for it, but I love the material. It doesn't really attract much fingerprints. This hinge is supposed to be much more durable. Okay, so as you can see, there's a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, not like the usual Samsung phones, but side-mounted. Especially for this, it makes a lot of sense. It definitely makes a lot of sense. There is your volume rocker. There are your two cameras. This is your screen here, and of course your flash. This is a screen, and of course it's a 1.9 inch screen. And when it's open up, it's a 6.7 inch screen. So definitely, I love the feel of it. I really am loving the feel. I didn't expect it to be this thick, right? So there's your speaker grill, Hope they made some improvements in the song. USB Type-C, you've got mics there as well, and also another mic for when you have it in its regular mode. Right, of course, you know, Samsung side is usually clean. There's your space for your SIM card. There's no dual SIM in there, but definitely I'm loving it so far. I must say that the Z Flip 5 or 4, is it? It's a Z Flip 4. Yeah, I'm just kidding. But I'm really loving. I'm loving the feel of it folded. It definitely feels good in the hand. So what we could just do is check to see if there's any power on it. I've folded it and opened it for a few times already. I must say, I'm making a mess here. What I like about it is there's no song when this phone folds. There's absolutely no song when this phone opens and folds. I just like that. Oh, look at that. I just love that. There's absolutely no song when this phone opens and closes. How about that? You know, I just like the fact that yeah, it's really cool. So I'm gonna set this up and definitely check it out. See what's up on this cover display. See what's going down. Yeah, I'm liking this. I'm loving this so far. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. I'm gonna put this to its pieces for the next few days and you could come back for the full review. But of course, first of all, thanks once again to Phone Aid TT. Bring new life to your mobile device. Check them out, Crown Point Shopping Complex. Give them a call at 302-5176 or 332-2111. Check them out on Facebook and Instagram at PhoneAidTT. It's spelled just as it's sung, or email phoneaidtt@gmail.com. Hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Hey, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and leave a comment. If you have a Z Flip 4 or maybe even a Flip 3, or you got a Fold 3 or the Fold 4, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know how it's going out, how it's working out for you so far. Alright, but come back for the full review very soon.